In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the internal exception error in Minecraft, so make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is click on the search bar, type CMD, right click on command prompt, and click on run as administrator, click on yes, and now what you want to do is type ipconfig space /flush DNS and click on enter. It should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. You can now close the command prompt, and the second step is to right click on the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner, open the network and internet settings, click on change adapter options. Now right click on Wi-Fi, click on properties, click on internet protocol version 4, click on properties again, and tick the use the following DNS server addresses. Now enter 8888 in the preferred DNS server and enter 8844 in the alternate DNS server. Click on OK. This is the Google DNS. Now click on close. Close the network connections, close the settings, and this should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and bye.